Good morning! Today we learn about AI skills.
AI skills? That sounds very useful. Why are AI skills so important now?
Because AI is used in almost every job today. Look, this is a simple AI tool.
Wow, it can answer questions instantly.
I want to learn more about this today. Great! Let's go meet some people who use AI.
Who will we meet first? Let's find out together. AI skills help students, workers, and business people.
That means everyone should learn a little bit. Let's start with someone who teaches AI.
Good idea. Let's visit a professor first. AI means artificial intelligence.
It means computers that can think and learn.
Look, that screen uses AI to suggest products.
AI is already all around us. So, what AI skills should we learn first?
Simple things first, like using AI tools well. We also need to learn how AI can help us think better. Not just give us answers, but help us learn.
Look! This is the AI Learning Center.
Let's go inside and meet Professor Kim.
After you, Lily.
Thank you, Max.
They step inside to meet their first expert.
Let's listen closely. Hello! Welcome to the AI Learning Center. Welcome to the AI Learning Center.
Hi, Professor Kim. We want to learn about AI skills.
AI helps computers learn from data, just like how you learn from books and practice. The first AI skill is asking good questions.
That sounds simple, but very important.
The second skill is thinking carefully about AI answers. Do not just believe everything right away.
The third skill is using AI to create new things, like stories, pictures, or even small projects.
Here is a simple guide for you both. Professor Kim.
Thank you so much, Professor Kim.
Now let's meet someone who uses AI at work.
Yes, let's find Ryan, the data scientist.
Hi, Ryan. Can you tell us about your AI job?
Of course. I use AI to find patterns in data. This graph shows what customers like to buy.
Wow, AI found that pattern by itself?
Yes, but I still have to check the answer carefully. AI helps me, but I make the final decision. My biggest AI skill is practice. Every single day. So AI skills grow slowly.
Grow slowly, just like other skills.
Here is a simple tip. Start small and stay curious.
That is a very easy tip to remember.
Thank you, Ryan. This was very helpful.
Now let's meet a business founder who uses AI. Hi, Mr. Voss. Can you tell us why AI skills matter?
Of course, AI is changing every business today. If you learn AI skills now, you learn faster later.
So early learning saves a lot of time.
My team uses AI to save many hours every week.
That sounds very useful for busy people.
But AI cannot replace good ideas from people. Humans still need to think and lead. My advice is simple. Learn a little every day.
Small steps, just like Ryan told us.
Thank you both for these great questions.
Thank you, Mr. Voss, for your time today.
Let's meet a student now, like us.
Yes, let's find Jordan at the library.
Hi, Jordan. Do you use AI for studying?
Yes! I use it to explain hard topics simply. Look, it explains math step by step.
That looks very easy to follow.
But I still write my own answers in my own words. AI helps me understand, not do the work for me.
I always double check with my teacher too.
That is a smart and safe way to learn.
AI skills help me study faster.
And smarter. Thank you, Jordan, for sharing this with us.
Professor Kim taught us to ask good questions.
Ryan taught us to practice a little every day. Mr. Voss taught us that people still lead, not AI.
And Jordan taught us to always check our work. Ask, practice, lead, and check. 4 simple AI skills.
That is very easy to remember. AI skills are not scary, they are simple habits.
Small steps every single day.
I feel ready to start learning AI skills now.
Me too, Max. Let's keep practicing together. Let's watch the sunset and finish our thoughts.
A rooftop sounds perfect for that. Today we learned so much about AI skills.
From a professor, a data scientist, a founder, AI skills help us learn faster and work smarter.
But we must still think, check, and lead ourselves.
Ask, practice, lead, and check. 4 simple words for every student to remember.
AI skills are for everyone, not just experts.
Anyone can start learning, starting today. Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this helps you feel ready too. What AI skill will you learn first?
Tell us in the comments below.